India is part of a coordinated effort with a few other nations to dip into their crude oil reserves. Now, these reserves are dipped into only in times of emergency. So then why is India doing this now? We're decoding this for you. So strategic petroleum reserves or crude oil reserves are giant storage facilities to store crude oil for emergency use. Now these reserves can either be natural or man-made. They are basically permanently sealed underground caverns. So any nation will dip into its crude oil reserves only in times of emergency. So an emergency like war could be one instance, or if the supply chains have been choked, or if importing oil is no longer a possibility, or in the case of an excessive rise in prices of crude oil. Now, only a handful of nations have their own strategic petroleum reserves, and India is one among them. Apart from India, there is also the US, China, Japan, and South Korea. India's strategic crude oil storages are located in underground rock caverns of Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh and Mangalore and Padur in Karnataka. Both are man-made rock-cut underground caverns. The one in Visakhapatnam is located about 30 meters below sea level, which makes it easy to transfer crude from ships. Now, India is part of a concerted effort along with the US, China and Japan to dip into their crude oil reserves in order to soften international crude oil prices, which have risen sharply in the past few weeks. Now, with these nations using up their crude oil reserves, this is expected to have an impact on the supply of crude oil internationally, which should bring down the prices. Now, such a coordinated effort to release crude oil reserves on a global scale is happening for the first time. So, some analysts are also suggesting that this move could be a geopolitical move of the US against Russia in the wake of Russia going to war against Ukraine. Now, Russia has one economy which is heavily dependent upon its exports of crude oil. So, if the prices of crude oil go down, it will gravely impact Russia. India will release 5 million barrels of crude oil from its reserves, which is roughly equivalent to a day's consumption of oil in the country. Now, the development is in line with the US call to bring down global crude oil prices, which were crossing $85 a barrel last month. India is dependent on the imports of crude oil to meet around 85% of its domestic requirement.